Hi, I'm going to show you how to do an eyeshadow with 3 different colors and only using your fingers. I'm going to use tape. This is Scotch tape and I'm going to put it just under my eye here. This is going to help give me a line or a sort of like a border of where exactly to start and end. So I'm going to place it on both sides, just under the eye. You can of course finish your base and then do this, or you can do this before your base. I'm going to quickly brush out my brows. Make sure they look nice and neat. And I'm going to take 3 different eyeshadows. The first eyeshadow is going to be a black. You can use any matte black on the ring finger. The second one is going to be any matte or shine. I'm going to be using a purple. And the third color on the index finger is going to be a lighter skin toned highlighter. Now I'm going to place the black eyeshadow towards the corner. And then I'm going to use the purple eyeshadow just in the middle outer corner and pat it gently so it blends into the black. Now this patting motion is important because this is what will give you the blend if you don't have brushes and can only use your fingers. If you need more product, yes, you can pick up more product. Now when I'm blending the black, I'm going to be using the patting motion again with the ring finger just above the lash line. Now with a clean finger, I'm going to gently brush it outwards. Now using your index finger where you have the lighter color, I'm going to use it on the inner corner, blending into the purple. Now this is where you use your middle finger again, which has a purple. I'm taking a little more product and I'm going to blend that in. Now the patting motion is important because that is what is going to give you the blend if you don't have brushes. You can see from one side to the other how easy it is and how quick it took me to do a completely full eye with just 3 colors and how it looks so blended. I'm going to pull this off so you can see the effect. What you can do is, if you've done your base before, you can just use a little bit of concealer just to touch up under the eye. Like I'm going to use one spot and blend that in, and you can see the effect. I'm going to quickly finish off the other side. Again, I've got the eyeshadow on 3 fingers. Make sure you wipe your fingers down after that and gently pull that away. You can use your concealer just to touch up under the eyes after that. This is something quick if you don't have too much of time to do your makeup. You can definitely put on your mascara also and do this because this just does not get messy. So 3 finger makeup, best ever, quickest, and also looks finished. When you're going to be doing a strong eye like this, it's important that you do a nice nude lip. I'm going to be using Broom lip pencil from Tinge, and I'm going to just outline my lip, coloring the inner corners. I'm going to do a separate video on how to do a lip contour. I'm going to use Naked liquid lipstick. I'm going to allow a few minutes for this to dry, and I'm going to give a slight little lighter color on the middle of my lip just to give it the effect of it being dark on the outer corner and a little more plump on the middle of my lip. So it's completely dried now. I'm going to use Monday multi-shade stick. And there you go, the lip is complete. Now you can see the point of focus is eye and not lip. I hope you liked the video, and let me know what else you would like to see from me, and please like and subscribe if you're new here.